Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show an overview of the latest version of Lubuntu and some of the applications pre-installed. Lubuntu is a lightweight Linux distribution based on Ubuntu, using the LXQt desktop environment in place of Ubuntu's GNOME desktop environment. Lubuntu was originally touted as being lighter, less resource-hungry and more energy-efficient, but now aims to be a functional yet modular distribution focused on getting out of the way and letting users use their computer. Lubuntu originally used the LXDE desktop, but moved to the LXQt desktop with the release of Lubuntu 18.10 in October 2018, due to the slow development of LXDE, losing support for GTK2 as well as the more active and stable LXQt development without GNOME dependencies. Lubuntu received official recognition as a formal member of the Ubuntu family on May 11, 2011. Commencing with Lubuntu 11.10, which was released on October 13, 2011. The LXDE desktop was first made available for Ubuntu in October 2008, with the release of Ubuntu 8.10 Intrepid Ibex. In February 2009, Mark Shuttleworth invited the LXDE project to become a self-maintained project within the Ubuntu community, with the aim of leading to a dedicated new official Ubuntu derivative to be called Lubuntu. Lubuntu received official recognition as a formal member of the Ubuntu family on May 11, 2011, commencing with Lubuntu 11.10, which was released on October 13, 2011. Lubuntu uses systemd in its software and supports BTRFS, X3, X4, JFS, RicerFS and XFS file systems. For package management, Lubuntu uses apt. Here you can see the commands to install software from the command line using the apt package manager. For self-contained applications, Lubuntu uses snap. Lubuntu includes version 5.13.0 of the Linux kernel. Some of the default applications of this release of Lubuntu are Firefox, Transmission, VLC and LibreOffice. Please feel free to tell me what you think of the latest release of Lubuntu in the comments section. Thank you for watching the video and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.